The following are genuine ways to legitimately make money online. 1. Build a blog or website using affiliate marketing. If there's a niche you're interested in and you can build a decent audience around it, starting a blog and using affiliate marketing to generate income is an incredible way to make money online. It takes time and effort, but you can build life-changing careers through affiliate marketing. 2. E-commerce site. Start an e-commerce site and sell physical products. This is one of the oldest and most time-tested ways of making money online. Purchasing low-cost goods manufactured in foreign countries, repackaging or combining them with other products, and selling them for higher prices on domestic online marketplaces is a cool way of making online money. 3. Freelancing. If you have a marketable skill like writing, designing, web development, marketing, project management, then freelancing is one of the easiest ways to make sustainable extra money online. Freelancing is simply a proven way to apply your existing skills to make money online. 4. Online coaching. Online coaching or consultancy is a great way to make money online. Here, you're teaching your clients to be better, faster, smarter and streetwise than their competitors. Your expertise becomes the product you're selling. Online coaching is a great way to build an online business. 5. Create online courses. If you're an expert in a topic through your current job, freelance business, or coaching, you can package that knowledge into a high-value course and sell it for years to come. You can sell your online course on udemy.com and other platforms. 6. Launch a YouTube channel. YouTube is the world's second largest search engine, after Google. It is one of the fastest growing platforms you can make money online within 2020. To make money on YouTube, you have to create a YouTube channel, have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of view time in the past 12 months. YouTube is an incredible place to make extra money online. 7. Podcasting. Podcasts are super ways to share inspiring stories with people that are looking for passive ways to take in content, which makes it a great opportunity to build an audience and make money online. 8. Give your candid opinion in online focus groups and surveys. If you want to give reviews on products or help shape digital products in their early stages, joining an online focus group or answering survey questions is a great way to make extra money online. 9. Narrate audiobooks. You can make extra money online by recording audio versions of independent and popular books. Sites like voice.com connect authors with audiobook performers. So, whether you're an author looking for more ways to sell your book, or an actor/voice actor looking to make some extra income, you can sell your services online. 10. Write and sell an ebook on Amazon. By packaging your skills and knowledge into a downloadable ebook that helps people learn a skill, advance their careers, or start a businesses, you can change someone's life and even make good money online. 11. Join freelance job sites. There is greater demand than ever for freelancers. And as a newbie freelancer, it takes time to build up your personal freelance business. If you want to start making money online through freelancing, you can join one of the top freelance networks, such as FlexJobs, Solid Gigs, Cantina, Upwork, Fiverr, or People Per Hour. Sign up, build your profile, upload some samples of your work and start making extra money by doing small freelance jobs. 12. Sell your services on niche sites like 99 Designs, Cloud Peeps, Fiverr, People Per Hour or TopTal. 13. Sell stock photos online. If you have a fondness and talent for taking pictures, you can make extra money online by becoming a stock photographer and selling your images to a stock photo company like Shutterstock and its like. A good camera or a phone with a good camera will do a great job for you. 14. Starting an online t-shirt business is a great way to make money online. A whole lot of people love t-shirts. With the right niche, marketing, and tools, you can create an online t-shirt business that makes you extra money online while you sleep. 15. Proofread articles. Proofread articles as a freelancer to make money online. Freelance editing and proofreading not only pays a decent hourly wage, it also gives you the chance to read about potentially interesting topics, which you can make money from. 16. Buy and sell domain names. Domain name trading has been around for the last couple of decades, and it is still a very good way to make money online. 17. Edit videos online. Editing videos online as a freelancer is a great way to make extra money online. Video editing is lucrative and more people are looking for professional help cutting their raw footage into viral-worthy content. If you have the right software and a bit of skill, you can easily make money online as a video editor. 18. Consulting. Another way to make money online is via consulting. If you're an expert in any field, you could potentially find people willing to pay you to counsel them on their personal or business goals. If you want to start consulting but aren't sure what steps to take next, you can set up a free account through clarity.fm. 19. Sponsored posts. If you have a website or a large social media following, you can make money by pursuing sponsored posts and ads. How does this work? The truth remains that companies are willing to pay bloggers and social media influencers to promote their products and services. If you have a platform, be it a blog or a huge Instagram followers, you can cash in by simply making money online. 20. Webinars. Need more ideas on how to make money online? Another strategy is using webinars to market your product, service, or course. With a webinar, you're basically offering a lot of tips and advice for free, usually in a live format. At the end though, you pitch your paid product or service with the goal of securing a few deals. In conclusion, there are other numerous ways to make money online. The ones I've covered here are just tip of the iceberg. All you need to be successful in making money online is to have time for this online business, be passionate, ignite your creative spark, be consistent and persistent, be determined to succeed and have faith that you will succeed. Doing this will definitely guarantee you success in building an online income stream or several if you give it enough time. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, Golden Bells Academy. Follow us on Facebook, Golden Bells Academy 75, Twitter, Golden Belsa, Instagram, Golden Bells Academy, Patreon, www.patreon.com/goldenbells.